Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
When we're doing this chapter on geometrical constructions, so primarily what are we going to construct? There are many things that we can construct while using constructions, okay? Primarily in this chapter, we are going to construct different kinds of quadrilaterals, and particularly different kinds of quadrilaterals when with different angles or length or all of this is given. Then we will particularly learn how to construct a rectangle, a rhombus, particularly a rectangle and a rhombus. Is that clear? So quadrilaterals can be anything, right? It doesn't have to be a particular shape. मतलब कुछ shapes को हमने नाम दिया है, but then quadrilateral is anything which has four sides. So anything which has four sides, that is one we are going to learn how to construct in this chapter. And second that we are going to learn is particularly how to construct a rectangle and rhombus. So basically three things that we have to learn, right? Right? So our first thing is, how do we construct? So basically in all, आपके text notebooks में there will be 9 plus 9, approximately 18 kinds of constructions. Okay, but they will all be very similar. 18 different types of figures that we are going to learn, but they will be very similar. आपको एक बार once you get a hang of it, you will understand कैसे करना है. So let's start with the construction of quadrilateral. So the first one is construct a quadrilateral. You will have to write this, please. Construct a quadrilateral when it's four sides and one angle are given. That's our first one. Okay, writing everybody?
Yeah, Miss, done writing the question.
Okay, so let's take our example is going to be, हम क्या construct करेंगे? हम construct करेंगे एक, so basically this is the type. Okay, अब इसमें आपको कुछ measures दिए हुए रहेंगे. Example में what you will be constructing today is, you will be constructing a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, centimeter. Angle A is given as 60 degrees. BC is given as 3.5 centimeter. CD is given as 2.8 centimeter. And AD is given as 3.3 centimeters. ठीक है? So let's first check कि क्या ये हमारा जो whatever the type of construction we are learning, क्या ये है? हम एक बार एक figure बना लेते हैं. So AB it is saying is, AB is 4.3 centimeter, तो इसको 4.3 लिख देते हैं. We are just drawing a rough figure as of now. Angle A is going to be 60 degree. This angle is given as 60 degree. BC यानी कि कुछ ऐसा होगा. BC is 3.5, and CD, BC is 3.5. CD is 2.8 and AD is 3.3. So kuch this is just a rough figure which all of us we are going to draw. So do you think it is just like what has been, there are four sides and one angle given to us? Four sides and one angle. So now we will learn how to construct this. पहले तो ये समझ आ गया, we figured out कि ये पहला type है, first type. Okay. So we are now going to construct it. Now just give me. First thing that you're going to draw is, you have to take your scale, and on your scale you have to measure a length of how much? You have to draw a line of 4.3 centimeters. That is our first thing.
Of Miss, I missed you.
4.3 centimeters का एक line बनाएंगे.
4.3
centimeters.
Done.
Done. This, what will you name this as? You will name this as A, B, right?
Yeah, Miss.
ये इतना कर लिया सबने?
Yeah.
That was how our figure was, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now on this, what was shown? That your angle is how much?
60
60
degree.
degree.
60 degrees. So now we are going to draw an angle of 60 degrees. Please take your compass. And किस जगह पे compass है ये? At what place is it? Sorry, at what place are you going to place the compass?
Right.
What place are you going to place the compass?
A, right? The A point.
Q. Why at A?
It's because we need to make 60 degrees of A.
60 degrees at A, right? That's why you are going to place your compass at this point. Wait, hold on. I'm just dragging it there. You all can start making your angle. You know how to make a 60-degree angle?
Oh, I forgot.
I don't remember.
Same, yeah.
I tried what I thought doing, and it came almost 60 degrees, just like 5 centimeters difference.
You will first make a angle like this. ये समझ आया? First thing.
Yeah.
Now you will take your compass. इसको यहाँ से
Any length,
उठा ले.
right?
हाँ?
Any length, right?
Any length. Any length. But after that, you will take your compass, drag it from there. ये यहाँ से उठाना है और B पे रखना है. Okay? At this point, it's not called B. We will name it as C. We'll name this point as C.
Oh, I remember.
The name. Now you're going to make another angle here. You are not changing the measure of this angle, okay? जितना पहले रखा था उतना ही रखना. You're not changing the amount that you opened up, उतना ही रखना है. And now you will make an arc. Did you make an arc?
Yeah.
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Now let's call this as C, और इसको मैंने C नहीं बोलते, इसको हम कोई और point दे देते, P दे देते हैं, क्योंकि this is not a part of the quadrilateral, right? So I'll call this as P and this one as Q. Okay. Now you're supposed to make a line between A and Q. So we'll make a line between A and Q. Right? अब ये line आप बता सकते हो मुझे कितनी बड़ी होनी चाहिए? This line should be how much?
It should be long.
Yeah.
It should be long.
3.3 centimeter.
It should be 3.3 centimeters. So what we'll do now, we will take our compass again and we will put the compass again at this. Open the compass for 3.3 centimeter. अब कैसे open करेंगे हम इसको 3.3 centimeter के लिए?
With a scale, like measure it.
Scale, absolutely. And then you will make a mark of. You got it? How? Where you're placing your compass?
Yeah.
And now you make a mark at this point. Will you
Miss,
get it?
just a minute. Can you please repeat what to do after making the line?
After making that line, you are placing your compass here again. Open the compass for 3.3 centimeter. जितना बोला हुआ था 3.3 centimeter. How will you make it 3.3 centimeter? That you will take a scale and put your compass ऐसे 3.3 centimeter के लिए open किया यहाँ पर. You will just reduce it to that size of 3.3 and then you will put a mark. So this mark that you see here, this mark, ये हो गया हमारा D. And AD is how much now? How much is AD?
3.3.
3 centimeter. Very good. ये हो गया 3.3 centimeter तक हमारा. This much is done. Half of the this thing we have drawn already.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, how do you get the P ka mark again?
P ka mark. You put your compass at this point and you at A, and you take any length. So we just took any length. You open your compass to any length that you want to. It can be this much, it can be this much. So जो आपको feasible लगेगा उतना open कर लेना है. And you put an arc like this, like this.
Okay.
ठीक है. And then फिर से अपने इस compass को P पे, मतलब इस जगह पे लाना जहां वो AB को टच कर रहा था. And then you put another mark. ठीक है.
Okay.
वो जहां दूसरा मार्क आपने लगाया, that so पहला मार्क and दूसरा मार्क are touching each other. So you see what is it making now? Got it?
Yeah.
Auntie, the AB line is 4.3 centimeters, right?
AB was 4.3 centimeter. ये हमने सबसे पहले construct किया था, right?
Yeah.
AB was 4.3 centimeter that we had constructed, the very first thing.
Miss, I'll have to redo. I made a
Do?
mistake. Yeah, I'll have to redo.
Okay, ठीक है, फटाफट करना. अभी पहले आगे का देख लो कैसे करना है. Now you are going to again take a scale. और आप कंपास लेके आओगे स्केल के ऊपर. Just remove it. Again you will take your compass, put it at 0, and अपने कंपास को ओपन करोगे. And now you have to open it as 3.5 centimeter. Why 3.5 centimeter?
BC.
Now we are going to construct BC. So do you see how I have opened 3.5 centimeter here?
Yeah.
ये कर लिया. Now I'll remove the scale and अपने इस कंपास को उठा करके B पे रखा. ठीक है?
Alright.
And now we are going to make an arc of 3.5 centimeter using this. ठीक है? Did you see how to make an arc?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. ये arc हम थोड़ा सा बड़ा बना देंगे. ठीक है? Now I'm going to open take a scale once more. And again bring the compass.
Okay.
And now I'm going to open my compass to 2.8. Now why 2.8?
Because that's CD.
Because now it is CD. Very good. Open kar liya. Remove
Yeah.
your scale. Now where should I put my compass again?
The point.
At
D.
the point D. Very good. So I'll put it at the point D. 1 second. I'm not able to put it here, but you understood where to put it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's actually at D. So then what you will do? You will make a mark at D. Okay?
Yeah.
From D. Sorry. You will make a mark from D. And this mark is of how much?
Which one?
This mark, ये वाला mark, कितना D से कितने जो मैंने
2.8 centimeters.
तो ये आप देख रहे हो 2 points, 2 arcs are have crossed each other, and this becomes my C.
Okay.
Got it? अब हमें कुछ नहीं करना. All that we need to do is join this. These two lines. Okay. Join DC and join BC.
I'm not getting a parallelogram.
Did the question mention that it is going to be a parallelogram?
Oh,
It's
Right.
just a quadrilateral,
okay.
right?
Yeah.
It will not be a parallelogram.
Alright, Miss, I got to know that I didn't have any mistake. My protractor was placed wrong.
Okay. Okay. I hope ये construction सबका ready है. So our second construction is when we have to draw a quadrilateral which has three sides are given and 2 angles are given. So if you can see in the rough figure, AB is how much?
4.2.
4.2.
BC?
5.4.
5.4.
BC, B for
Oh.
Bombay.
Oh,
3.7.
3.7. CD
5.4.
5.4.
and DA is not given.
Hmm.
Okay, and angle B and angle C are given to us. Okay, so we are now going to construct such a quadrilateral.
So in the end, whatever space we have left, we can just join it and find the measure of it.
Excellent, excellent. Now यहाँ पर हमारे को कुछ बेसिक चीजें हैं जो हमें समझनी है. Like, how are we going to draw 75 degrees and 105 degrees?
Yeah.
How do we draw? अभी सभी एक बार कैमरा ऑन कर लेंगे. How are we going to draw 75 degrees and 105 degrees? अभी सभी कैमरा ऑन करेंगे. 75 कैसे बनेगा? कुछ याद है?
We used to add
हाँ, I know it was.
बोलो बोलो बोलो. जिसको याद.
90 डिग्री का डॉटेड लाइन का एंगल बनाना है and we have to make 2 arcs.
ऐसे मत, ऐसे समझ में नहीं आया. मतलब it's not very clear to us.
You have to 30 first, then do something from there.
Okay, so 75 के लिए क्या करूँ मैं? पहले let's talk about 75. What do I do?
we need to make 90 and 60 का arc, and then we need to find 75 उसके बीच में.
उसके बीच में. That is one way. और दूसरा तरीका would be अगर आपने 60 बना लिया, 60 के ऊपर, like you said 90, हाँ, it has to be in between both of them. Perfect. So it's 60 plus 15 है ना? तो 60 का half बनाएंगे 30, 30 का half बनाएंगे 15. That's what we know. How do we know how to make an angle bisector? हाँ, angle bisector बनाने का क्या तरीका है? I'll just revise it with you. So you know how to make 60 degree. We just learned how to make 60 degree, right? 60 degree was you make this, you put your compass here, you make an arc. From here you make another arc. So ये और sorry, this is like you make an arc which is big enough. ये बन गया कुछ 60 डिग्री, बट मुझे 75 चाहिए. तो इसके ऊपर मुझे क्या बनाना होगा? I have to make 15 degrees more. So यहाँ से ऐसा कुछ 15 degrees more बनाना है. How do I do that? How do I do that?
You make 90 degrees.
You make 90 degrees, and how do I make 90 degrees?
It's a straight line, right? Do we really need a construction step for that?
We need a construction. We can't just, our straight line can be little tilted. You have to get the exact.
Can't we use the I forgot what it's.
Protractor.
You will be expected to draw the 90 degree. So how do you draw? So you make a line, full arc बनाना है. उस पे एक 60 डिग्री यहाँ पे रख करके एक आर्क ऐसा, और यहाँ पे रख के एक आर्क ऐसा. Did you get this? और इन दोनों के बीच में यहाँ रख करके एक आर्क ऐसा और एक आर्क ऐसा. So when you join these two, what you get is a 90 degree. This angle becomes a 90 degree. Okay? और इन दोनों को अगर हमने bisect किया, then we will get what? We will get a 40. So we will get a यहाँ से यहाँ तक को अगर bisect किया तो ये इतना कितना है? अगर यहाँ से यहाँ तक 60 है तो ये 30 है. 30 को ब्रेक करना है आपको. तो 30 को कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे? I'll just show it in a different color. यहाँ पे कंपास रखा, make an arc. यहाँ कंपास रखा, make an arc. इतनी मेहनत हुई है सिर्फ 75 डिग्री बनाने में. क्योंकि how much is this? This is 60 and this is 15. समझ आया कि कंफ्यूज हो गए? समझ आया? So let's draw this. Construction start करते हैं और फिर वहां पर भी I will just repeat it. Okay? So सबसे पहले we will start with
the 75 degree angle from point A or point B?
your point B, because यहाँ इस पे क्या बनाया था मैंने? देखो, can you see the screen? No, you can't see the screen. Hold on. हाँ, it was at point B. Angle B was 75 degree. ठीक है? So what is the first step? Easiest step क्या है हमारा? What is the first step?
4.2 degrees का लाइन बनाना.
क्या था 4.2 degrees?
Degree, sorry, centimeters.
4.2 centimeters क्या था?
A and B.
AB.
AB. Okay, so AB पहले बना लो फटाफट.
Miss, by the way, your screen is not shared. Okay, yeah.
Jyoti, beta, where are you? Jyoti,
Yeah,
where are you? You've not shown me the previous one only.
I'm doing on my iPad, so I need the thing.
How are you constructing on the iPad, beta?
I have this online constructing thing. Or no?
But you need to you need to make it. You can't use online. You have
Okay.
to draw it in your register, बच्चे.
Okay.
Can you repeat the 90-degree angle?
हाँ, अभी मैं एक एक कर. सबसे पहले हमने AB बना लिया सब में.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Miss.
How much was AB?
4.2.
4.2.
4.2. So I'll just draw a line of 4.2 centimeters approximately. I'm just drawing. And I'll name it as AB. Okay. After this, we have at B we have to make a one. How much? कितने का एंगल बनाना है मुझे?
75.
हाँ, B पे बनाना है. तो सबसे पहले to start with, मुझे I'll have to make an arc. Okay. And this arc will be how much? What will be the measure of the arc?
3.7.
नहीं, पहले ये full ऐसे arc बना लिया B पे
Yeah.
बनाया.
But
Now-
how much? How many centimeters should be the arc?
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Whatever you want to, doesn't matter. ठीक है.
Alright.
Now इस पे आपने एक ऐसा एंगल बना. Wait. You are going to make एक आर्क बनाया यहाँ पे. दूसरा. Can you see my arc?
Yeah, I can see.
Now we are going to put my pencil here and make one more arc. Did you see this?
Yeah.
इतना clear है?
Yeah,
हाँ.
Miss.
Yeah.
यहाँ तक clear है? इतना सबका बन गया?
हाँ, Miss. हो
हाँ.
गया.
Now I'm going to put my compass here. ठीक है? And I will be making this, increasing this arc a little bit more. And now I'm going to place it here and then again draw an arc. So do you think that I'm getting a point here?
Auntie, I didn't write the length for the 75-degree angle line.
Hmm.
What's the length?
75, 3.7.
3.7.
AB was 4.2, BC is 3.7.
Okay.
Now let's call this, because अब मैंने इसको different color में इसलिए कर रही हूँ because this is not a part of our ABCD quadrilateral है ना, but ये मुझे जरूरत है because I need to make this right. I have to make this right. इसको हम कुछ और नाम दे देते हैं, P or something, right? Now
Yeah.
I'm going to make a line between B and P. अब this line can be any length. ठीक है? Because अभी तक मेरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है. What is my work? 75 degree. मैंने तो 90 degree बना लिया अब तो. Right? So
Yeah.
what do I make now? I have to make one more line. Now, do you think this line that I'm making right now is going to be a 60 degree का line? ये वाला?
Yeah,
This one?
that's a
That's
60
degree.
degree.
So somehow in between this point and this point.
Do you take it from the one on the right of the
ये
angle?
वाला point and ये वाला point. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Is it visible?
For me, it is.
Yeah, I can see.
ये वाला point और ये वाले point के बीच में मुझे एक 15 degrees बनाना है. So this part that is left is how much? It is 30 degree. So मुझे somehow I will have to make a angle bisector of this, है ना? So what I
Yeah.
will do? How do I make an angle bisector of these two points? अभी एक एक करके बनाते हैं इसको. Uh-oh. Please make an angle bisector if you're already aware of. Please make it yourself. जिसको नहीं आ,
Is it fine if I move on forward to
if you have already drawn, then you can please move forward.
Okay.
I'll make an arc here. Then I take my compass and put it here and make another arc. Now I'll remove the compass. I get a point, and that becomes my angle of 75 degrees. That's my line for 75 degrees. I hope this part is clear to everyone.
Yeah.
Clear हुआ? आगे बढ़े? और somewhere on this B से जो ये 75 degree की line बनी, ये वाली line, this line, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this is 75 degree है ना? अब इसके ऊपर somewhere here we will have to draw our arc of 3.7 centimeters, correct? So what will I do? I'll take my scale, take the compass and put it at 0 mark. Open my compass to how much? 3.7 degrees.
Centimeter.
Yeah, sorry, centimeters, right. And then I can remove this, lock it and put it here. And
How long is the CD line?
huh?
How long is the CD line?
CD is 5.4. Okay. अब क्या करें? CD पे I have to make 105 degree. At ये point तो आ गया मेरा. I got my point C. You all see that point C is made already?
Yeah.
You know? So BC is, we just made of 3.7 centimeters, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
अब
Oh dear God.
इस पे मुझे 105 degrees बनाना है. And 105 degrees will be 90 plus 15. Right? पहले हमने 90 minus 15 बनाया था, that was 75 degree. Now we have to make 90 plus 15. I hope this part is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, तो चलो अब हम 90 plus 15 बनाते
Is it okay if in the diagram I keep the 90 degree line when I'm showing it?
हाँ, you have to show it as a dotted line. जो main figure होगा उसको हम last में black कर देंगे.
Yeah.
Final figure होगा, ठीक है?
Yeah.
All right. So
Can I just, I'm allowed to just join the D and A line, right? Or is there construction needed for that as well?
D and A line के लिए कोई construction नहीं है.
Okay.
So you'll have to now rotate your registers. At point C आपको एक 90 degree का, you know how to make a 90 degree now? Everyone?
Yeah.
Everybody knows, right? अब ये वाला part मैं आपके ऊपर छोड़ रही हूँ. You have to make a 90 degree. तो एक 90 degree बनाया और फिर 90 degree से you have to further make a 105 degree. तो कुछ ऐसा बनेगा. This. Rotate your registers ताकि C नीचे आ जाए. And जैसे आपने B पे 75 बनाया है वैसे C पे अब आप 105 degree बनाओगे. So make 90 degree, make 90 और 90 के next जो होता है वो 120 होता है. उन दोनों के बीच को आपको क्या करना है? What do you have to make? Angle bisector. Anybody has a confusion? Then I will tell you how to make 105. किसी को कोई confusion है 105 में?
No.
No, Vihan?
No, miss.
No.
I'm done.
Huh?
I finished.
Finished. Okay.
Should I make the C to D 5.4 centimeter line first?
Yes. If you have made 105, उसके बाद ये वाला line जो होगा आपका जो main line है, that will be how much? Again, you will draw this main line C to D, and that should be how much? 5.4. है ना?
Yeah.
That will be 5.4. So I think वो आपको एक straight line आ रहा होगा, isn't it? It's kind of coming out to be a sort of a straight line, right?
5.4?
हाँ, मतलब
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा सीधा सा line आ रहा है क्या?
Yeah.
So after that, on this, you're going to make a mark D, जो कि 5.4 का होगा, and then you will attach D and A. So D and A हमें वैसे भी दिया हुआ नहीं था, right?
How big is the D and A line?
How?
The length of
We
D
don't know because only 3 sides were given to
Oh.
us.
Right.
5.4 centimeters. Base दिया हुआ था 4.2 centimeters, and this was 3.7. And दो angles दिए थे. I hope we are clear.
I think I'm getting stuck somewhere. I don't know why.
Stuck somewhere. Okay. Okay. Let's see where.